There's something behind this door that I really want to show you guys. 1,000 square feet. Turn a couple lights on so we could see. And it's kind of full. Ceilings are 12 feet tall. You can't turn around in here. It just is, I'm buried in scrap. I keep thinking I'm running out of stuff to process. And there's just scrap on top of scrap on top of scrap. Here's my granulator. Could hardly get to it at the moment. But I'll make some videos of this thing running. It's all chopped up. Copper wire. Separated. Ready to separate this and sell it. But we're going to hold on to it right now because the prices aren't good. But that'll go as Bear Bright. Plus a little extra usually because it's already granulated. I mean, these bins are literally, they're just about touching the ceiling. And everything's full. Bins and bins and bins. There's this a whole, you really can't see it that good. But this is one of those, I think 2-yard push bins. Filled with all e-waste. All boards. All stuff to be processed. I just keep filling this place up. Every time I say, oh, I'm going to make more room in here, I put more stuff in. I'm going to come out here, I'm going to work, I'm going to clean it out. I just keep piling things in. Look at these Land Rover rims and tires. I did a clean out not too long ago. Set of 4 of them. Tires are almost brand new. People said throw them out, they don't want them. So we took them. Those are for sale. $1,200 for the set of 4. That's about what they're going for. There's just endless scrap here. Here's more of those pedestals I showed you on another video. A couple of them sold already, but we'll wait for the rest to sell. Monitors. There's 150 monitors here. Well, not in this pile, but all together. They're all buried in between different things. There's 150 here. There might even be a little more, but I did a pickup of exactly 150. So there's something around 150, maybe 175. Some transformers. These got to be cut apart, processed. Bin of boards. Some ductwork. I mean, the stuff just keeps on going. Every time I think I'm going to get through it all, I just keep putting more in. Computer. This is an old computer. Little heat sink. And it just keeps on going. Some of the stuff in here will be sold instead of scrapping it. Definitely way more money if you could sell it as opposed to scrapping it. There's those big copiers, you know, the big commercial copiers. I had at one time probably 40 of them in here, and you know, when I got nothing to do, I'll take one apart. There's some real good boards in those. Not all of them, but most of them got really good boards. Spools of wire. This all got to get granulated. Boards. More boards, bins of boards, there's boards everywhere. Some of this stuff up here, this is all things for sale. I don't know if you're getting a good shot of this. But look at how close we are to the ceiling. The ceiling's 12 feet high. And I'm at least 10 feet high with scrap piled up. low-grade wire, computer scrap, more monitors. There's a stove over there, actually, underneath that baseball box. I think that's a stove. Some of these things out here, I forget what's here. It's kind of been piled up for a while. These right here, brand new lights. Open box, but never used, never installed. There's about 40 of them here. I'll put those on eBay. I'll try the local sites too, but probably eBay will be the best bet. And this just keeps on going. So I'll go through the granulator. I got some old Tandy stuff. Even if this stuff's broken, sell it. People buy it, collectors buy it, people that need parts for it buy it. I had a whole pile of it a few months ago. It filled up, you know, 2 like 18-inch by 18-inch boxes. I sold it for $500. It's way better than scrapping it out. If somebody could use it, collect it. I don't really care what they do with it. It pays the bills. This stuff, I mean, we're buried in it. And believe it or not, there's a 67 Mustang in here. I know, you don't believe me. You can't see it. Mike, where's the 67 Mustang? I think you're full of it. I promise you it's in here. I don't think you could even see it. It's under there. There's the quarter panel right there. One day, I'll continue restoring it. But right now, it's just buried. Life took over. These vacuums, I pick vacuums up all the time. Sell the parts off at eBay. The cord reel, that's an easy $20. The canister, another easy $20. The switch up here, if that works, that's $5 or $10. The hose in the back, the wheels. I just pile them up to a rainy day. I got nothing to do someday. And I'll just dig through it, take them apart, write down the model number, put everything in a box, and then little by little just list it. Boxes of keyboards. Those are for sale. Those I won't scrap. As long as they work. Those are $15, $20 all day long online. Local sales will sell them for $5 each. But this is endless scrap. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And we will definitely make some more videos going through this disaster. And hopefully make some money at the end of it. Thank you.